If you're looking for a quick side dish, then I promise you're not going to want to miss this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Momma Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, I was looking for an easy, quick side dish that's relatively healthy, and I just started scouring the internet. I was just looking for something different, and I came across this recipe. It is a Mexican coleslaw by Plain Chicken, and I'm going to link the recipe in the description box, so I do hope you go over and check them out. It just sounded different and really good, so I'm going to make it today, and it looks like it's going to be quick and easy. So let's go over all the ingredients, and then we'll put this together. All right, my friends, I have some fresh cilantro from my garden, black beans, lime juice, sour cream. I like frozen corn. I'm not a fan of canned corn at all. It does call for canned corn. I'm just using frozen corn, and I had thawed it out. I have taco seasoning, rotel, diced tomatoes with green chilies. I have a half a red pepper. I believe it calls for a whole red pepper. My husband's not a big fan of peppers, so I'm only doing a half. I have a jalapeno pepper chopped up. I have coleslaw back there and Duke's mayo. And friends, that's all the ingredients we're going to be using today. All right, my friends, we're going to start with making our dressing first. So I have 1 cup of mayo. We're just going to put it right here in this bowl. Just like that. And then I have 2/3 cup of sour cream. Probably should have used a bigger bowl, huh? Alrighty, and now we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. And friends, I love this one. It's the Spice Islands taco seasoning. I think it is absolutely delicious. And then we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of lime juice. You can use fresh lime if you'd like. Oops, I'm squirting myself. And 3. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and we're going to mix this up. Yeah, I definitely should have went with a larger bowl. It's okay, we'll make it work. Fingers crossed it does not end up on my shirt like it usually does. Alrighty, there is our dressing. We're going to go ahead and put that aside. Alright, my friends, I have my bag of coleslaw. We're going to go ahead and dump that right in there like that. And I'm already noticing I probably should have a bigger bowl. So let's not even mess around. Is that a bigger bowl? We're going to use this one. There we go. Not even going to mess around, friends. Alrighty, so we have our coleslaw here. I'm going to go ahead and add in my 11 ounces of corn. Like I said, it called for a can of corn, but I'm using frozen corn because I do not like canned corn. My bell pepper, my jalapeno pepper, and I drained my rotel tomatoes and chilies. And then I have my black beans that I rinsed here we're going to throw in. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and just mix this up really well. Yeah, I'm glad I went with a bigger bowl, friends. That was a smart move. Oh, and I forgot, we're going to add my fresh cilantro. I'm not putting in as much as it calls for just because we like cilantro, but not a whole lot. So I'm just doing a little bit. And I did get this from my garden. Love being able to go out to the garden and just picking fresh veggies. But I was a little late planting my garden this year, so I'm not going to have stuff until a little bit later this year. But my herbs are doing really well. Alrighty. You just want to get this mixed really well first. Just like that. And then we'll add our dressing. Just do a little bit at a time. mix that up. Oh, isn't that pretty? Look at that. All I can smell is cilantro. Cilantro. I always say cilantro. I don't know why. It's cilantro, I believe. All right, last of our dressing. I'm going to mix that up really well. Now you're going to need to refrigerate this for at least 30 minutes. So I'm going to put it in, and I have to run some errands. We're going to run to Wegmans because they have these special hot dogs that we absolutely love, and we can't get them anywhere else except for Wegmans. So we're going to do that, and then when I come back, we will do a taste test. Alrighty, we're going to put some plastic wrap over this. And then we're going to put it in the fridge. If I can find room in here. Oh my. There we go. Alright friends, so we'll come back in a little bit and do our quick taste test. Alright friends, so here it is. Now we're going to do a little quick taste test. Here's my little bowl. So hubby's trying it now. He has a look of like, I don't know about this. Oop, dropped the bean on me. Thumbs up. Ooh. 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 Good. This is really good. Oh, what about on like some fish tacos? Mm-hmm. Oh my friends. Put this on some fish tacos. Oh my. Mmm. This is the simplest, easiest dish to make. Perfect for a party. This may make it into Nick's graduation party. So easy to make. Absolutely delicious. Hubby likes it. 2 thumbs up. So friends, that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that little like button. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please consider checking me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.